Hello, everyone. I mean, there's no one here yet, but in a second, I'll say hi again. Hello. Right. Oh, right. Websites. Also, didn't I tell you had to wait? There were chatters before posting things. Maybe I didn't. Twitter. Co-host. Mastodon. Blue Sky. All right. Hello, everyone. I just got done posting my various links. I'm always having to post my links everywhere. Um, so as mentioned, we're doing something a little different today. We're doing a dev stream. So we're going to be developing on Visual Studio Code on Windows, which I've never done before. So I'm going to have to learn about it. So far, everything's pretty simple. Ever since they added the Windows subsystem for Linux. Big fan of Linux. That's where we usually do code work. Then I was not done setting up, but I was like, man, I promised a stream starting around noon, and it's almost 1, so I should get started. But the last thing I was setting up is I was looking into music that I could play on stream. If I'm gonna have music on stream, then I'm probably gonna want a little thingy saying what's playing. So let me see something. Logging. Register with Discord. Need to scan QR code. Another thing that's a little concerning is our throat and our vocal cords have been giving us problems lately, and it might get in the way of streaming. It might be that we're a little quieter on the stream. We try not to talk as much. I don't know. Okay. This is, oh crap, I don't even have, my headphones aren't even plugged in. I can't hear anything right now. I haven't been playing music, but I couldn't even hear myself. Okay, hold on. Just checking out, like, these are different options for music you can stream on stream. Because I thought last time I was trying to play like classical music, like in the public domain classical music, and even that Twitch was like, we're gonna mute your video, and then they eventually muted it. But I don't want to deal with that, and I hate copyright. I'm anti-copyright. You can quote me on that, but I'm also not an idiot, so I'm not gonna. Yeah, like this one has a wolf. And someone recommended this website because it just has video game music, and we all love video games here on Twitch.tv. Oh, maybe I'll do that. We have to make another. What does the two-headed wolf have for me? Nothing. It's gone. Okay. Fuck it. Rainwave video game music it is. So I'm gonna pop out a new window. I'm just gonna have a pop-up player actually. I had a pop-up player be really hype. Oh. Look at that. Perfect. It's not gonna be as perfect when my head goes in there. Reference. Make it smaller. Next to me. Put it behind me. So we're doing some housekeeping before we can get started developing in earnest. We need to add a command to faebot. Gonna be used for later. Alright. Now we have Twitch. We have a window open. We have the stream. We have music. Honestly, I'm not loving this music. Can you pick? Can you pick like a playlist? I am logged in. We're just gonna live with it. You know, we're just gonna live with it. Screw it, I'm not gonna live with it. What happened to the chill lo-fi music? Beautiful. Yeah, Chrome, I'll do that later. Wait, why are you saying this to me? Why are you, this website, saying this to me? Oh. Okay, hold on. Pause you. This is much nicer. Okay. The other window. You're really getting to see how the sausage is made here. Is the same? What? Screw it. They take me to the actual YouTube channel. Let's hit them with a follow because they're chill. Allowed license. Free to use music. Is even the okay. Okay. It sounds like they shouldn't need us, and I'll hit them with a little bit of a promo. This is so silly, dude. Okay. You go away. Then That's silly. Okay. We're playing this. Nope. Oh man, this two-computer lifestyle is too complicated for me. Take me to my chat. Take me to my own chat. Don't play the stream. Yes, I agree by my own rules. Link prettier. Okay. We got the chill hop music. Yeah, faebot Discord. Alright. So, this is the version of faebot that already exists. It's a very simple AI chatbot. Right now it uses Llama, served by Replicate, and it's hosted on fly.io. And so the goal for this stream is to adapt this code that I already wrote for Discord faebot and make her work for a Twitch chatbot. And I have not done any no, that's not true. I've done a little bit of Twitch development before. A long time ago. I had actually coded did I code that or did I code something for that? I don't know. We had like a working Signal Twitch bridge going where you could like post to Twitch chat from Signal. This is working with my friend who's really into Signal automation, and honestly it's it was pretty cool work. Like I love Signal. Like the two main messaging apps I use are Discord and Signal, and like Signal still has the better vibes. It's like end-to-end encrypted and everything. It's just because it's end-to-end encrypted, some things are really painful to do with it. Automation is one of them. And yet there are a few options out there for building Signal bots. If you're interested, I recommend you check out. Hold on. Does still exist? Boom. Let's add a command for that too. When I use which I guess I don't need a command for forest, but I'm gonna make a Signal bot. This is the website to use, I think. We're not making a Signal bot. We're making a Twitch bot. So how to make a Twitch bot? Twitch Python API. Community coding resources. Oh wait. Hmm? Asynchronous for Twitch chatbots made in Python. GitHub, no. Twitch chatbot boilerplate, but it's JavaScript. Python chatbot for Twitch from scratch. This sounds more like it. Okay. I like async. Pythonista. Last 2 months ago. 3 months ago. It's still not bad. We are logged in and ready to chat and use commands. This looks a lot like the Discord framework that I already use for bots. So that's positive. However, it doesn't say if you can have a bot that can reply to not a command. Yada yada. Twitch chatbot boilerplate. Archived as of 2020. Yeah. No, thank you. I want projects that are alive. Or to track push-ups. Okay. Bro moment. Good for you. Good for you, bro. You know, you gotta do what works for you. This is Twitch.io from the Pythonista Guild. This is a different Twitch API. 2 months ago also. Twitch chat, await Twitch. Oh god, iterators, my old enemy. Set up and use authentication. Okay, so Twitch chatbots are just users then. There's no to make a user. User authenticator. I'm ready. Friend, bot is ready for work, joining channels. And then you tell it to join channels. I wonder if I can make channel just a list, and that way we can join multiple channels with an environment variable. But that's okay. Okay, and this one has an on message. And honestly, Oh, that's cool. Whenever the reply command is used. Okay. So the PyTwitch IPI, an MIT license, also has an MIT license. I bet this one also has things. Hi Nasi, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to one of the nerdiest streams we've had so far. Um 3 weeks ago. That's in 9 commits. 2 months ago, 763 commits. Stars, 215 stars. This is tricky. I mean, they both. I'm sure they would both be good enough for my purposes. Where? Oh, yeah. Boom. Dark theme. Hold on. This article sucks. As far as I can tell, like if I want to make a bot account, I have to make like an account for it, right? So like I can use this to automate my own account, and maybe that should be what I do to test first. And so I'm gonna open the dev dashboard on a different on another window so you can't see what I'm doing in case I have to type in a password. Chatbot. Must have two-factor auth enabled to perform this action. Okay. We're learning so much today. Although the dashboard doesn't have support for Japanese characters, I don't think, because it just says something's console. Okay. Okay, so we need to enable 2 off. Security and privacy. Oh yeah. Set up 2-factor authentication. What happened? Okay, Twitch. I wanna use an app. I don't wanna use my phone each time. Oh, that's better. That's much better. Okay. So now I can make a new application. Hopefully. Please. faebot. Man, cable management. Oh no. Oh no. This locked me out of Twitch on my other device. Boom. We're back. Okay. Cable management. Go over here. That's better. faebot 01. So there's already a faebot. HTTP localhost chatbot. Welcome. Okay. Nice. Okay. faebot 01. Done this 3 times now. Alright. No, don't. Oh no. Alright. Okay. This isn't a secret. I will make a secret in a different window. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's a good thing I did it in a different window because it just pop out the code, the secret code. The secret code for secrets. Okay, so one of the things I also need to do, oh my god, is I want to go to GitHub. I want to go to my making a brand new directory for faebot Discord. Where's the new repository button? It's hiding from me. faebot Twitch. faebot AI chat bot for Twitch. A readme file. Create repository. Boom. Code. And then we go here. Look at this. It's the Windows system for Linux. I wonder if you can get fish for the Windows system for Linux. Right now. Right now you can't see VS Code at all. Me favorite Twitch. Minimize this. So search faebot.py. Indeed, the Linux subsystem for Linux. The Windows subsystem. What? The Linux subsystem for Windows. The WSL? The Windows subsystem for Linux? One of those. Select interpreter. Do I have a Python is not installed. It opened the Microsoft store. I love it when the Microsoft store is involved. Chad, I don't love it when the Microsoft store is involved. Alright, it's installing Python. We can go back to doing the other thing that we were doing, which was what? Oh yeah, okay. So manage secrets. I'm gonna make a secrets directory. What did I call this before? Because it's not gonna go in the repo. I think I called it, what do you call a thing? You know, when you have a thing, a snippet. I'm gonna put my secrets in snippets because snippets is anyways going in the git ignore, which we don't have. Snippets. And then there's a non-zero chance. There's actually a pretty big chance I'm going to end up accidentally posting or showing a secret on stream. And we're just going to be okay with that, you know? Most APIs, most sensible APIs nowadays will allow you to re-roll a key or something. And hopefully there's not that much danger you all can do by getting to see one of these keys for a little bit. Hopefully. Surely. Having known for my great OPSEC, here's the sad thing. I like this, what I'm doing right now, putting secrets in an alternate like directory and like taking lots of care to not show them on screen. That is good OPSEC. And it's like, I'm bad at it, but I'm better than a lot of people. Okay. So commit to git ignore. I don't need to commit it right now. Here. And of course we will open that in a different directory. But wait. You know how I could be even more careful? We can make a secrets folder out here and a directory that I will never open on VS Code. That's funny, Nasi. Oh yeah, it definitely takes practice, and it definitely takes making mistakes. Like, I've definitely committed secrets to like GitHub repos and stuff before. I just realized something. We don't really have chat on the screen right now, do we? It's probably like hidden below everyone else. Also gonna start a local recording in case there are any shenanigans. Okay. So okay. So now I'm gonna use Notepad to open secrets. That actually works. You do not have permission to open this file. Uh-oh. It seems like it could be a problem actually. Windows authentication stuff is different than Linux. So like I'm running VS Code as administrator because it was complaining about me doing stuff on the terminal otherwise. But now it's created files that are like administrator locked. So maybe I'm gonna open VS Code as not administrator. Then if I need administrator privileges, I will it's not gonna let me do anything. All right. Okay. Can you open just a terminal? Right. But this is not, man. Windows, baby. Where did you even put that? In home. Should have put it in. Put it in documents. Okay. Oh no. Oh, everything's terrible. I'm learning so much about Windows development today and why you shouldn't do it ever. Remember, kids, just say no. Okay, give me code. This shit in documents. Okay, secrets. It's a folder. That's the problem. It's a folder. It's not a file. Okay. That with VS Code. VS Code's not going to complain that it doesn't know where the program went. Fine. File. Documents. Code. faebot Twitch. Yes, I trust the authors. You can see VS Code again. Yes, you can, but there's a window covering it. By window. Learning string for everyone. What was I doing? Okay. Notepad. Which token equals paste? Boom. Cancel. Actually, save in code, secrets, secrets.txt, sure. Test variable test. What happens if here I now go source dot secrets source? Okay. WSL source environment variables. The way this works for me, don't want permanent environment variables. WSL source command. Environment variable. Oh my god, I already hate it. File. This environment variable is set for all future shell instances permanently for your system. Oh, you can set permanent environment variables. Interesting. That might be good enough for what I want right now. So first I need to do a terminal that runs an administrator, and then if I do set x test bar equals test, no, WSL install. It's interesting because it's already working when I have, it's already working in VS Code, but it won't let me open a terminal normally. Oh man, things are happening in the background. We at least finally get a Python interpreter. You know, I originally thought like, oh, we're definitely gonna be done and have faebot running by the time the stream is done, and now I'm not so sure. It's been an hour and we're still like setting up. Print hello world. I break with tradition. Python. Alright. Everyone clap. Everyone clap your hands. Python works on Windows. Now, so we got poetry up in here. Pip install poetry. Boy! Like it when things work, you know? Yeah, uh-oh. I think that should be okay. So I started using poetry for dependency management after I was at a job, and then I think poetry is not like the meta right now, but it's what I like, so I'm gonna keep using it. So poetry init. Python m install create. Install create pip. Oh, guess what, chat? It's time for me to move my laundry. So we'll be right back. We're back. Cool. So what were we doing? I was trying to open the Windows subsystem for Linux, which is still maybe I should just God damn it. How to open WSL terminal. Windows subsystem for Linux have not been enabled. WSL enable. Oh my god. So annoying. Okay. So, I'm gonna open a new window. Oh, sorry. Documents, code. And in this other window, which you can't see, I'm gonna set an environment variable. You need to think someone lied to me. You go away. That's not what I meant to do. Why don't you come back? Oh, you go away. No, you didn't come back. Okay, I actually did need to think about the environment variable. Python and poetry. Faebot Twitch. Once again, you can't see what I'm doing. Faebot Twitch version 0.0.0 1.0. Faebot and Twitch. Software transfaeries. License, none for now. 311. No. No. Yes. Poetry at all in due time, right? I still haven't figured out how to set an environment. All right. What if I just export? Not a recognized name. I'm gonna murder someone. How? Why is this so difficult? This is like basic functionality for any development workflow. Okay. And then you need to call them weird too. Right? Okay. And if I go in a different terminal, it doesn't work. What if I what if I do this? What if I was Santa Claus and the government paid for my expenses? Wouldn't that be neat? Hmm. Wow, that took a long time. And it still doesn't work. Does it work with this? Doubt it. No. Okay, so I'm gonna have to please have lunch. Okay. So when it's time to really set secrets, it's gonna be a pain because I'm gonna have to like. It's not gonna be that painful. I just need to do this. Then I need to set a secret. From my secrets file. Then I need to clear. And then I can show you, and then I can bring it back. I think as long as I don't scroll up too much, we should be safe. Upsec everyone. Upsec. Stay safe out there. All right. Now that we have a Twitch token, let's see if we can get any sort of a bot working. So we said I decided that I was going to use I was gonna use the Pi Twitch API. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. So they're like, let's copy this whole friend up. Minimize the windows, you can see what I'm doing. So at some point, and I know I say this like every stream, but at some point I just need $50 so that I can buy a better table, and then when I have a better table, I can like set up both of my monitors, and then I can have a monitor that's like public and a monitor that's like private, and I should make everything a lot easier. Okay. Poetry at it's called Twitch API. Python and poetry at Twitch API. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to type Python and poetry. No, because I can activate, right? You can give me a vamp, right? Poetry. Did use? And use. What? Oh, it's because I haven't done poetry install. It says it's activated. Why doesn't poetry work? I shouldn't use poetry on Linux. System. Execute. Okay. App secret should be os.env. Okay, hold on. How does faebot do it? Does the other faebot do it? The app ID is public. os.getM also means report OS. GetM which token which target channel transfaeries. App ID was don't show people the secret. You can show people the ID because can't change it anyways. So it's not meant to be secure. Okay. So what happens if we do Python run Python faebot py? No model name Twitch API. Python and poetry run Python faebot py. Missing app secret exception. Before you do this, okay, so Python and poetry at dev with my Python group dev. Not install Jedi. Why can't you install Jedi? My Python wasn't what it needed anyway. Group dev. What am I looking for? Instead, what am I actually looking for? PDBPP. Okay, what's PDBPP called? PDBPP. PDBPP. It is PDBPP. Wait. It's resolving dependencies, chat. It's resolving so many dependencies. How do people do the things where they zoom in on their screen? I know SX. Oh! Something new has happened. Perfect. Okay. Report PDB. PDB. Set trace. The only way to use the Python debugger. Model collections has no attribute callable. Oh, that's unfortunate. Okay, do this for print. Here's your secret, filthy animal. What's it called? Secret, but give me just the first 4 characters. That's not how you do that, is it? This is, no, that is how you do it. Okay. No, that's every character from the 4th. 0 to 4. Non-object is not subscriptable. So chat, look away. There. It was there. Let's get env isn't working for some reason. Okay. Here it is. No, it is not. It's not reading the environment. The reading the ID. It's not going to be reading the ID. You can run the. What just happened? Okay. Is there something weird with getenv on Windows that I don't know about? I don't have to do this, do I? No. Is it something to do with poetry? Do I have to set it globally using a different terminal? What happens now? Well, no secret. Matakumo. Even is this? What is this crap? Import OS. Get and Ah, okay, that's okay. That wasn't a secret. Again, you can't see what I'm doing. Minimize this thing. You're getting to see how our troubleshooting process goes. Oh, right. None. So if I do echo, this is so annoying because this isn't even. I'm. This is to do with Windows. I know this would already be working on Linux. So I don't know. Do I need to export? No, because export doesn't work. Also, as far as I can tell, wait, so you have to save the secret? No, but that doesn't matter because it's not even printing the thing. Alright, here goes. I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna scroll down. Actually, okay, let's do the other one first. Oh, but wait, I can cover up what I'm doing with the window. So, okay, so I'm just gonna put the secrets right into the file like you're not supposed to do. And then we'll change the secret at the end of the stream. And minimize this window. Boom. You're about to... Oh boy. Site can't be reached. Okay. Uh-oh. Stuck? Why are you stuck? Y'all, if you all can avoid it, never, ever program on Windows. It is bad. It is just bad. And next dev stream is gonna be, we're just gonna figure out a way to get VC face to work on Linux. And we're just gonna code on Linux. Or not, or I'm gonna learn how to do this, although I don't really see the point, because coding in Windows is for stupid doo-doo heads. It's not, it's just... Like, there's still... Windows, unfortunately, still seems to be a big language for, like, game devy stuff, and if I want to use Unity and stuff, I'm gonna have to use Windows, so there's some value to learning to work code in Windows, but so far the experience leaves a lot to be desired. Alright, so let's read about authentication. This one's an app as access token, right? User scope, chat read, chat edit. App secret. It says app secret. Just say app secret, so you can use the user access token to call APIs that accept. Oh. Hmm. Ah. Holy shit, yo! Look at that! Look at that, it works. It works more or less. Yay! We both figured stuff out. We still need to figure out how to... Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. Um. Oh, it didn't work this time. Maybe it only works for me. Didn't you do it before? Oh, it just took a second. Hi, Self. We're having fun with Windows development. I can't figure out how to read an environment variable on Windows, like at all. Um, it's just impossible. So the VTubing, most VTubing software is like developed on Unity, which is pretty heavily Windows geared. So like I always use supposedly it does. Okay, I'm killing the bot for now. Right? Like it can echo an environment variable. I guess it can't anymore. Oh, because I erased all of it. But you can set an environment variable and you can echo it, but if I Python, if I just do this, it doesn't work. It's very lewd. You can't like this does confirm something that I wanted to know, which is I am gonna have to make faebot like their own Twitch account, like, and then do all the development workflow there and get all the secrets from there. And I should really delete this secret soon, but we're still testing, so it's okay. You can use regedit. I would use the set command. But the set command doesn't work. I was doing that and it just somehow doesn't. I don't know if this will work still. Like I could try it, but this person is trying to like import. Yeah. Mhm. And eventually I decided that it was kind of a distraction. But I guess we're gonna have to figure it out soon. So here's the dirty secret that I'm gonna unset anyways. Hopefully. Okay, hopefully this means that the old secret doesn't work anymore. Actually, we should test that. If it does, we're gonna be in trouble. None, yeah. What am I even doing here? Right, okay. Alright, it doesn't work anymore. Good. Good. So, it is time to make an account for faebot. Faebot have an email? No, sign in. No, faebot doesn't really have. Maybe I should make faebot an email. Yeah, you know what, faebot, you get this email for now. All yours. This is the wrong password. No, it's not. Where's my phone? So many windows open. Twitch.tv. Sign up. What's faebot's birthday? I can't use her real birth year, but I can use her real birthday. August 12th. Is this really faebot's first tweet? No, it says 2015. Yada yada. Okay, this isn't that important. It's a distraction. But I want faebot to have her real birthday. And I should probably know what day it is anyway. That's good. That's good, Gems. What was I looking for? This has been the ongoing question of this stream. What am I looking for? My own Twitter archive. Okay. Here we go. Neat. Oldest first. August 30, 2014. All they do is people. Okay. And of course, your actual birth year, it's 1992, faebot. Don't tell anyone. You're 32 years old. Cool deal. There's a dark theme everywhere, please. You register an application. One. Hey. You're a chatbot. Now you're confidential. Oh yes, two-factor auth. Okay. Account settings. Routine privacy. Set up two-factor. 802. I assure you, riveting things are happening behind the scenes right now. Okay. Okay. Need you to make a new item. I want to set up an authenticator app for this somewhat badly. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Okay, fine. We'll keep you like this for now. Now, this is so scuffed. Unbelievably scuffed. All right. Thank you, faebot. This channel's filling up with bots. I've heard a rumor. The transfaeries run a secret bot hangout out of their Twitch stream. They meet there to plot destruction of humanity. Actually, most of the bots I make, I don't know. How do you feel about humans, faebot? She's silent. Well, we'll see. Alright. So, let me actually show you what I'm doing. I now have so many windows open. Oh, press enter to stop. Okay. Good to know. I have to authorize each time. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Ah, that's the wrong bot. Wait. So it's not using the secret. It's just whichever account I hit authorize from. Okay. Okay. Alright, so one thing we're gonna do is import logging because logging is so much better. You don't need these. Don't need these. Then we're gonna crib. We're gonna crib a bunch of code from faebot Discord, which was always the plan. Oh, I love honey. Yeah, little coding break. I'm not really sure. Oh God, why is part of my face missing? Why is there some window? Go away, window. Hi, I'm big now. I'm taking up your entire screen. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. How long do I have till I have to turn my laundry again? Oh man. Whoa. I was starting to vibrate because I was looking down too hard. My mom messaged me. LinkedIn. Oh yeah. Alright. It's perfect. We're gonna take a little break because anyways I have to go do this. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna make faebot work the way faebot's supposed to work on Twitch. So don't touch that dial. BRB. Meow. 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 We're back. That's our last load of laundry, so hopefully shouldn't be any more interruptions. It's in the dryer. I'll get it after the stream. Yummy. I got more water. It's important to stay hydrated. Are you staying hydrated, chat? You better be staying hydrated or else. Alright. So when I was planning to do the stream, I was like, oh yeah, I bet we can knock it out in a couple hours. And then maybe we'll have to do something else for the rest of the stream because I want to stream 5 hours as usual. And then obviously it looks like it's going to take a little longer than 2 hours. I mean, 2 hours in, we have this working. So that's a big step, believe it or not. But I bet we can get the rest done also on the stream. I also but there will be more coding streams in the future. It's not a thing we can promise like every week. Maybe we should do it every week. But anyways, there will be more coding streams in the future, but you know, we might want to like code for a couple hours and play a game for a couple hours, or code for a bit, play a game to like clear the mind waves or something. You know, we want to mix it up in here. But I'm really excited to keep working though. We're gonna have to figure out we're gonna have to figure out authentication to have faebot run on fly with no issue, and we're gonna have to figure out other stuff. Okay. Fuck me, dude. But how is this even gonna work? Sylv, are you still there? Sylv, I'm gonna need your help. So, faebot, the large language model faebot uses is called Llama 2. It's okay, I can text her if I actually need her. It's hosted. Thank you, James. It's hosted on a website called Replicate, and the thing about that is that the authentication workflow for Replicate is kind of weird, because guess what? On Linux, it's like just set an environment variable. It's fine. It doesn't even. It seems to get it from the environment itself. And as you maybe come to understand, environment variables are not something that Windows seems to be prepared to handle gracefully, or that we figure out how to handle, or something. so I need my replicate API key. Little cat girl. Minimize browser. This doesn't need to be playing. What am I looking for? This window doesn't need to be open in its own way. Okay. Sounds good. Minimize this window. Open VS Code. Boom. So yeah, what if I do this? Cell set X test bar. No. Okay. So USL get set. When I wrote this code in Bash, printer, I get in the descriptor. I also tried export. Native WSL Python program. Just doesn't do anything for me. Does export like work? The term export is not recognized as a command line. What's that about? Bit of export. System environment class. Whoa! What is happening here? Told the show. Still not working. Still no. I wonder if VS Code has like a thing. I should be using them. What about this? Forget it, you can never see what I'm doing on VS Code because let's see what age. Because it's dumb. Because it's really dumb. Let's minimize this window. Someday, chat, someday, my perfect streaming dreams will be realized. If name equals name. So this is a variable that was already set by the system. It still doesn't. So does getEnt just not work? So test var. There's a method, right? So the Python environment is completely separate from the Windows environment. This is so annoying, dude. Can't believe I'm still spending time on this. PowerShell, git bash, command prompt. This is git bash. Ah. Matter. Okay. We can just use bash. All this time we could have just used bash. Can I add stuff? Oh man. Let's not fuck with that right now. What is git bash anyways? Using fish shell with git bash. Let's not do this, but let's save it. Let's save a little mental note in the back of our mind for later. Put that in the back of your mind, chat. Will you go away? So this might work. This might work exceedingly well. And if it does, we deserve an award. We deserve an award anyways. For being so pretty. What's the hawing about? Is everything okay? I do deserve an award. I've been saying it. I've been saying this for a while. Okay, so now I need to minimize all these windows. And the question is, can I source this secrets file? Now if I do poetry, do Python and poetry run Python faebot.py. It's like an incantation. Authentication failed. That wasn't a missing key problem. That was it didn't open the browser for some reason. Still doesn't work. And I thought we'd figured that out. No, doesn't work. You should ask the borrowers for help. Because this is getting to the point where I'm considering like running a VM or just restarting the Twitch, the stream on Linux. Poor craftsman blames their tools. I am a poor craftsman. Poor in money, if not in skill. Do any of the other methods work? It's just impossible. Oh. Hmm. Crowley doesn't want you to drive? Crowley, stop messing with James's driver's license. Well, we have that in common. Docker, dude. This is what this problem needs. This problem needs us to use Docker. Solve all my problems by just using Docker. When all you have is a Docker, everything looks like a container. You know what they say. Here, this Docker file. Huh? Poetry. That looks good. Command not found. I can't wait to see. Of course, James. I can't wait to see in which ways Windows fucks up Docker too. By the way, if you're watching the stream and you haven't followed, remember you can follow the stream, and so you can see us pop up. I think by default, Twitch sends you notifications. If you don't want that, you can click on the bell to turn them off. It is a bell, right? Yeah, remember to follow the stream and thank you as always so much for your support. What was I doing? Docker. Okay. VS Code. Hit me with Docker. Okay. Failed to connect. Is Docker installed? Would you like to learn more about installing Docker? Docker will save us. Pleasure, huh? Like art is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm not a tough expert. We don't have a thought deck ourselves. Oh man, we're getting a hat. I'm very excited. I like hats. Just remember to leave room for the ears, right? Chat, believe it or not, Docker is installing. Here, let me show you. Boom. While Docker installs, ask me about this over DM's chat, Gem. I can't think of any right now. What was I saying? It doesn't matter. It's probably going to be really interesting. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's not about the distraction, more that if you ask me on Twitch chat and there's no permanent record of it, especially, well, there is, but it's harder to find, so it's just better. What? What? Hello. I'm here in a dark void because Docker was like, okay, we need to restart, we need to log you out and log you back in to work. And I was like, sure. And then it just I'm sorry, James. I just can't I can't I can't rush that kind of question. Um so now I'm in a dark void. Cat girl's gone, music's gone. Um that sounds perfect. That sounds great. You know this really well. Um, mm, okay. Crud. Um, I hate to do like a hate to interrupt the stream, but I should probably just let Docker do its thing, whatever it was. So we are back. Nobody panic. We'll be right back.